Hi guys, here 5 plus 3 square is 9 times 2 power 3 divided by 4. Here 5 plus 9 is 14 times 2 power 3 divided by 4. Here 14 times 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 4. Here 14 times 8 is 112 divided by 4. Here 112 divided by 4 is 28 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 28 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way. Here, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is the exponent. Here we have exponent here and here. So we have to do this before this operation. Here 5 plus 3 square is 9 times. Here 2 square is 8 divided by 4. Here we have addition, multiplication and division. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 9 times 8. So we have to do this 9 times 8 before this division and addition. So 5 plus 9 times 8 is 72 divided by 4. Here we have addition and division. Here division is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this division before this addition. Here 5 plus 72 divided by 4 is 18. Here 5 plus 18 is 23 is the correct answer.